my channel. I'm Easy, your friendly professional makeup artist. So if you're looking for a makeup channel that teaches a detailed makeup application, then this channel is for you, because my aim here is to teach my followers how to apply their own makeup in a professional level. So if you want to see this video how I do this thick and lifted eyebrows, or what we call bushy brows, then keep on watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click like and share, and please don't forget to click the bell notification for you to be updated on my new videos. So lovely people, yung ituturo ko kasi sa inyo is how to create a thick and lifted eyebrows. It is also called as the bushy eyebrow. Ang kinagandaan kasi ng bushy eyebrow, it helps to make your face look more younger. Nakakabata siyang tingnan, which is lahat naman tayo yan ang gusto natin, di ba? To slow down the aging. So, at least man to makatulong sa atin, no? It helps to make our face look younger. So, kung papansin niyo yung mga panahon na nauso ang maninipis na kilay, like in the year 2005 hanggang 2005, kung titignan niyo yung mga kilay noon, diba? So, in that period, maganda siyang tignan, it is cool, pero napansin ko yung tinignan ko siya ngayon, parang nakakatanda talaga siyang tignan kasi ang nipis niya. So, the more na mas manipis ang kilay, the more na magmumukha tayong matured sa face natin. In doing this thick and lifted eyebrows, you're going to need the following tools. Okay, so I'm going to show you if you have any eyebrow brush or angle eyebrow brush, kahit ano dyan. Ako kasi kailangan ko lang ng marami for my clients, and depende kasi kung ano yung thickness ng kilay ng kliyente ko. So, if you want a more definition, you could use this thin eyebrow brush para bigyan ka ng more definition ng hair strokes or hair strands. You could use the soft one. Ito yung ganito. So, ito yung magbibigay naman, no, ng medyo thick to frame the kilay. And this is also good for using a eyebrow powder, pomade, pwede rin ito, eyebrow pomade, and what else? You could also, you have to use this brow soap, any kind of brow soap, but for this one, ito kasi yung ginagamit ko, inuubos ko siya. So this is full brows from SNZ brow soap. So, mamaya tuturo ko sa inyo kung paano gamitin ang brow soap. Or if you have a brow wax, no, pwede rin yun. You should have also eyebrow powder. Kung wala kayong eyebrow pencil, pwede rin yung eyebrow powder na lang. Brow gel, pwede. And if you have a brow pen, this is a brow pen from Key Palette. Ito naman, I forgot to mention, ito naman yung brow powder duo from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Ayan. Ayan siya. Yung soft brown duo. Or kung meron kang eyebrow pomade, this is from Inglot. Ayan, si Inglot. This is from Inglot. This is EMC Brow Liner Gel. Ayan. So, this is a cream type. No? So, at least kung ano yung meron doon, basta hindi pwedeng mawawala yung brow soap or brow wax. So, ito yung pinaka-main na tool na kailangan na meron tayo, or main brow product na kailangan meron ka in creating this look. Okay everyone, so we are going to do na the lifted and the thick eyebrows. So, una sa lahat, you have to brush up the brows para makita mo yung natural strand ng hair mo. And then next is get your brow soap, get your brow wax. No, ito yung pinaka main tool para mag-adhere yung brow hairs natin, and ito yung makakatulong para mag-stay put ito for the entire day or at least half a day. So, ang gawin nyo, kuha kayo nito, basain nyo, spray with a little water, tapos get your spoolie and kuha kayo konti. Huwag masyado nyong i-rarab ha, para hindi magbula. So, once na you have this product, so ilagay nyo na to sa kilay nyo. Start with middle, pataas. Okay. Dapat hindi gaanong basang-basa yung brow soap nyo para hindi basa at hindi matagal matuyo. So, yan. Gently push the spoolie sa brow hair mo. You could also use yung pinaka-tip dito sa unahan. So, push it lightly. Kita nyo yung difference? So, you could create a lifted and thick brows just using this product. Ito rin yung ginagamit namin sa mga model namin. Actually, my recent video, which is uploaded last Saturday lang, pinakita doon, di ba, yung paggawa ko ng bushy eyebrow sa model. So, ganyan yung ginagawa namin technique. So, guys, this is the look after na mag-dry yung ating brows using the brow soap. No, you have to make it dry para hindi mag-smudge yung brow powder na gagamitin natin or any brow powder na panglalagyan natin sa brow. So once it's dry up, now you can apply your eyebrow product. If you have a eyebrow pen, this one is from K Palette. So this one has a thin brush, so you can do a natural strokes. Lalagyan nyo lang yung mga tulad nito, yung flesh tone, yung nakikita yung balat, i-fill in nyo lang siya. So, okay tayo for pen. If you have pen, go for it. Pag gagamit kayo ng pomade, eyebrow pomade, or any local eyebrow pomade na gagamitin nyo, you just have to use this angle brush na manipis, like this one. So, kukuha kayo ng product, again, to make it more natural. Same application. Fill in lang. A-apply nyo lang. Small strokes. Para mas mukha siyang natural ang dating. And because I want my viewers na, or my lovely subscribers, na talagang matuto, any eyebrow powder na lang. If you have eyeshadow na it is light or medium brown, go for it. Or kung talagang may brow powder ka, like this one, hindi naman necessary na Anastasia, basta may brow powder ka, you're good to go. So, I'm going to teach you how to apply using your brow powder. So, I choose a taupe product kasi ang hair roots ko is black na. Because of the GCQ na yan, ECQ, hindi ako makalabas para magpakulay. So, I'm going to use this shade taupe. I'll be starting here at the middle, tapos yung lightest, konti dito sa harapan. I really want to make it natural as possible. So, gagamit ako ng taupe at hindi dark brown. So, I'm going to use this brush. And I'm going to apply this slightly. Then, kung saan akong may nakikitang parang flesh, doon lang ako mag-fill in, like this one. Nalagay lang ako konti. See how I do the strokes? Very light-handed tayo para hindi ma-disturb yung brow soap na naka-adhere sa skin natin. So, again, I'm going to fill in lang yung nakikita kong mga flesh. Yun na yung lalagyan ko. Then I'm going to apply the lighter one sa unahan. Again, light strokes lang ha. So guys, this is the look of doing a thick and lifted brow. So, mas maganda siya na may konting light makeup ka, like lip gloss and a little bit of lip and cheek stain, or may konting CC cream ka para mas more balanced yung look at hindi lang yung eyebrows lang yung napapansin sa atin. But if you could pull this without makeup, then go ahead, di ba? Do what makes you feel confident and feel beautiful. So, if you could wear this alone, then pwede yan. So, ganito siya. Ganito yung itsura niya pag malayo. And pag kausap mo sa malayo, I'm going to dim the lights pa. Ayan. So, ganyan siya. Diba nakakatuwa yung itsura? It's very youthful tignan, model-like, and ang ganda niyan tignan sa mata. It helps to lift your eyes also. Kaya yun yung purpose kung bakit we do this thickening of brows and lifting up the brows using this kind of method. I would like to say thank you so much to all my subscribers who watched my videos, and thank you if you learned something from me, and to YouTubers of the Philippines, to all the admins and our group there. Hi, and thank you for your support, Vloggers Philippines, and to Usapang Skincare Makeup Routine, to the admins and Momshies doon. Hello, and thank you so much also for watching my video tutorials. So guys, please don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts. And if you like this video, please don't forget to click subscribe, like this, and hit the bell notification for you to be updated on my next fun makeup tutorial. So God bless us all. Bye!